I welcome our head of department, Mrs. Priya Charles, our teachers, and all our students to our talk show. Our guest today is Glenn Saldana. He has been in the world of radio and broadcasting for the last 12 years. He is Mumbai's youngest breakfast show presenter and hosts a show called Mad Mornings between 7 to 11 a.m., 6 days a week on Fever FM Mumbai. He also happens to host India's only non film music countdown show, which I would love to hear more about. And he is known for his wit and his easygoing style for delivering important talks on mental health and motivation. And I request Glenn sir to take over now and tell us a bit more.
Thanks, man. Thank you so much. Hi, guys. What's up? I hope you guys are doing great. इतनी तारीफ तो मेरी मम्मी ने भी मेरी नहीं की थी, तो मयंक थैंक यू यार. आपके अकाउंट में सारे पैसे पहुंच जाएंगे सूद समेत इंटरेस्ट के साथ. अदिति, तुमको भी कट मिलेगा, प्रॉमिस यू. I request all of you guys to turn on your video because I need to see how happy you are. If I don't see your face, I'm talking to a blank screen. I can't function like this. Thank you. Siddhant Pathak, thank you. Ritesh Anand, thank you. Dipti Tiwari, thank you. शरद थैंक यू. शरद तुम्हारा क्या है? 19726 शरद, तुम कौन हो? हाँ, 19276 शरद, ये क्या है ये नेम? No, I'm just messing around. Relax, you can't talk. It's just you're talking to a blank screen because you're on mute. And Aditi will not unmute you. All right. Now, just keeping all the jokes apart. My name is Glenn Saldana. I host the breakfast show for Fever FM Mumbai. I do the radio show. And please, Sarah, please turn on your video, yaar. I can't be staring at a blank screen and talking. I need to talk to people. Okay, now that you guys have tuned in and you guys are here, let me tell you quickly. The talk today is going to be on a very interesting topic. Life happens to most of us when we are busy planning other things. तो ये मेरी कहानी है. मैं इसे छोटा करने की कोशिश करूंगा. Try to speak it very, precisely, tight, and keep it engaging. I'm going to try my best. Are you guys ready? Are you guys ready? If you're ready, every time you're ready, every time you're happy with whatever I say, all I want you to do is this for me. Let me see you go. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Come on, everybody. Come on, don't feel shy. Haven't you seen the lift karate steps? Yeah, I want you to do that. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Yeah. I can see the boys doing it, but the women are a little shy right now. But hello, ladies, y'all are way better than us. Y'all are way more awesome than we guys are. So ladies, let me just see you. Rutuja, come on, I want to see you. Don't just smile over there. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's go. Perfect. Yeah, Aditi, well done. Arpita, well done. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, my name is Glenn Saldana. Let me start with telling you a little story. मेरा जन्म एक बहुत ही मिडिल क्लास घर में हुआ था और अभी भी मिडिल क्लास घर से ही हूँ. जब मैं छोटा था ना, 90s का बच्चा हूँ. अभी I've just turned 30 this year. तो आप भी 90s कुछ होता है जनरेशन, कहो ना प्यारे जनरेशन के बच्चे हैं. लेट 90s अर्ली 2000s के. और अगर आप ऐसी जनरेशन में पैदा हुए और मिडिल क्लास घर में पैदा हुए ना, तो आपके दिमाग में 3 प्रोफेशन होते हैं. आपके पेरेंट्स आपको डालते हैं आपके दिमाग में, डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर या लॉयर. if I am right, then come on, give me a lift करा दे. That's the general notion that happens. Your parents will tell you हम तो बने डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, लॉयर. Now, even in my head, I wanted to be a doctor, engineer or a lawyer. All right? तो बचपन से ही ये मेरे दिमाग में ड्रिल था कि डॉक्टर बनेगा बेटा, इंजीनियर बनेगा, नहीं तो लॉयर. मैं बोला मैं तो इंजीनियर बनेगा, मैं तो आईआईटी करेगा, तू देखना मैं दुनिया को अपनी मुट्ठी में ले लेगा. नो, आई एम नॉट एन इन्फ्लुएंसर फॉर रिलायंस. आई एम जस्ट से कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में, मेरा अभी मैंने ऐसे बोल दिया. एंड आई यूज्ड टू कीप से यही करना है लाइफ में. बट देन वन डे व्हाट हैपेंड इज आई रियलाइज्ड माय नेबर, आई यूज्ड टू गो टू हिज हाउस टू chill and to jam with him and all of that. And he was a Malayali Catholic boy. His mom had a very peculiar accent when she spoke, okay? And I had this knack of picking up these accents, picking up these sounds very well. So every time I went to the house, auntie would be like, Glenn, see, Jonathan's daddy's got like about 4 or 5 chocolates from the girl. If you want, you can take it. And I would come back home and repeat the same thing to my mother. That's when my mom realized इस बच्चे का potential engineering और हॉस्पिटल यानी कि डॉक्टर यानी कि मेडिसिन में नहीं है, बल्कि इसका पोटेंशियल तो है स्टेज पे. That's when my focus shifted from the OPD and the laboratory to the STAGE. You see what happens? That's what I said. Life happens to most of us when we are busy planning other things. मैं प्लान कर रहा था कि मैं इंजीनियरिंग करूंगा, मेडिसिन करूंगा, ये करूंगा, वो करूंगा, बट लाइफ हैड डिफरेंट प्लान्स फॉर मी. Now, because this is a very important talk and you have to feel that you have learned something in life, you will always have a plan. But be open-minded, be ready, keep your eyes, your ears open. Somebody will come and help you take a detour and show you the right path. And trust me, women are always right. In this case, it was my mother. All right, moving ahead, in school, मैं रैंकर, क्योंकि टीचर का बेटा, तो मैं रैंकर. And I'm not even kidding you, फर्स्ट रैंक, फर्स्ट 5 रैंक से मुझे आना ही था. स्पोर्ट्स कैप्टन, एथलीट, सब कुछ. मतलब मैं वो था स्कूल में जो चलता था और बोलता था, कौन है वो जिसने पू को मुड़कर दोबारा नहीं देखा? I was that kid who knew everything. Like, स्पोर्ट्स हो तो स्पोर्ट्स में अच्छा, क्रिकेट हो तो क्रिकेट में अच्छा, फुटबॉल तो फुटबॉल, एथलेटिक्स, रैंकिंग, सब कुछ. मतलब मैं कभी कभी ये सोचता था कि भगवान ने एक बच्चे में इतना टैलेंट दिया तो दिया कैसे? अब ये सब तो मेरे ही दिमाग में चल रहा है, पब्लिक के दिमाग में नहीं, लेकिन अपने दिमाग में माय गणेश गायतोंडे. कभी कभी अपन को लगता है अपन ही भगवान है. लिटरली मैं गणेश गायतोंडे मेरे दिमाग में. एंड भले ही दुनिया को लगे ना लगे, मेरे लिए मैं गणेश गायतोंडे. पूरा गोपाल मठ अपना, यानी कि पूरा स्कूल अपना. एंड आई हैड माय फ्रेंड्स, बंटी, काटेकर सर, all of them I had all of them with me. Sartaj sir, I had all of them. अपने पंटर गैंग. But in your head, I'm like, dude, मैं तो कुछ भी कर सकता हूँ. फिर आई 10वीं की एग्जामिनेशन की बारी. 10th में मैंने कुछ 85% स्कोर कर लिया था ना. उस लाइक, dude, 85%. अबे तो साइंस बनता ही है, साइंस तो लेने का ही है. 85% बॉय साइंस करेगा क्या? साइंस. मैंने बोला मैं IIT करेगा. Guys, I have to confess one thing to all you engineers. All of you are engineers, right? Studying engineering. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Thumbs up करना. हाँ. मेरे को एक बात समझ में आता है. ठीक है, एक बात मुझे समझ में आता है. 1 + 1 = 2. But what is this quadratic equation? Please explain this quadratic equation nonsense to me. What is the meaning of? Anita ages 4 times that of her husband's age. Husband has 3 apples, one half of which he gave a second son-in-law, put it in the garden to grow a mustard seed out of it. What is the size of the pizza Anita ordered for breakfast? Dude, ये quadratic equation है कि Game of Thrones का relation है. Like, I have never understood this, man. And मैं चला था IIT करने. Okay. I opened the textbook. I swear, I didn't even understand the solved examples. And that's when I realized, किसी का ऑडियो ऑन है तो शान बंद कर दे. Anyways, so I realized I couldn't even solve the solved examples. So I was like, dude, ये मैं कर क्या रहा है? That's when a friend of mine told me. Again, a very close friend of mine from school. She said, भाई, तू ये क्यों कर रहा है? जब तुम्हें मैथ्स और नंबर से इतनी फोबिया है, तो वही करने जा रहे हो जिससे तुम्हें डर लग रहा है. And I said, हाँ, ये तो हमको पता ही नहीं. ये पता था तो भी हम ignorant behave कर रहे थे. Once again, I had a midway stopped me, guided me in that process, and helped me make a right decision for my college. Now, because this is a very, very important talk, and Aditi has told me I have only 15 minutes to talk to you about all of this, I have to feel that it has to feel that you have also learned something, no? Otherwise, what you'll go and tell your faculty and your parents, "Aaya, time pass kiya, story bata ke chala gaya." No. So I'll tell you, in your life, you will always have people who will come and teach you something or the other. Keep your eyes, ears open, be aware, and listen to them for the good. सबकी सुनो, लेकिन अपनी करो. लेकिन शाना मत बनो. हाँ, हर बार गणेश गायतोंडे बनने का नहीं. थोड़ा आराम से. People who are older to you have more experience in their life, so take whatever good niceness they have. And again, in this point, I would like to say women are always right, because the friend who helped me and who coached me and who told me and who got me this realization was also a female friend of mine. So boys, इसका तात्पर्य क्या है? Women are always right. Moving ahead with my life. आगे बढ़ते मैं तुम लोगों को ये कहानी क्यों सुना रहा हूँ? Because I want all of you to know, considering you will be the young guns of India and you will be the future. Your destiny is in your hands. You have to know this, that life will happen to most of us when we're busy making other plans. The best decisions of life that you and I have ever made, go back in time and see, आपको realize आप करेंगे कि ये सारे decisions जो है इसमें आपने you made those decisions when you're fearless, है कि नहीं? Just think about it. Even if it is if you know what I'm saying, it has always been because you've been fearless. Now imagine having that fearless attitude and applying it to your lives to do something good. Imagine what kind of a change that you can bring. Imagine what power you have. Anyways, think about it. We'll come back to this. Moving ahead, I went to college. Like I told you, I come from a middle class family. और middle class family का एक rule है, जब भी आप restaurant जाते हो तो पहले आपको आपके parents Arabic सिखाते हैं. क्यों पूछो? Ask me why do this? क्यों? Do this. All of you do this. Do this. Do this. Because you look at the menu from right to left. पहला तू प्राइस देखता है, फिर तू खाना देखता है कि नहीं? और no matter what you do, if you come from a middle class family like me, तुम चाइनीज रेस्टोरेंट में जाओगे तो चिकन लॉलीपॉप और फ्राइड राइस ही मंगाओगे, वो भी शेजवान. So it doesn't matter. So when I, a middle class boy, was growing up, my mom could afford to give me 25 rupees, okay, to go to college. 8 रुपया जाने का, 8 रुपया आने का. अभी मेरे दिमाग में मैं हूं ना का शाहरुख खान है, जाहिद खान है, और मेरी मम्मी मेरे को 25 रुपया दे रही है. 8 रुपया जाने का, 8 रुपया आने का, वो भी BST बस से. वाओ, हाउ अनकूल इज दैट. मेरे दिमाग में मैं थ्रिलर का माइकल जैक्सन है. मेरे दिमाग में मैं कहो ना प्यारे वाला, हाय आई एम राज, यू मस्ट बी सोनिया, आमीन इत्तेफाक से हमारी दूसरी मुलाकात है, यू आर नॉट फ्रॉम अराउंड हियर आर यू. मेरे दिमाग में मैं ऋतिक रोशन है, बट जेब में पैसा 25 रुपए. और ये सब करने के बाद भी दिस बॉय हैड अ क्रश. नाउ यू कांट ब्लेम, नो, वी आर ग्रोइंग अप, वी ऑल हैव क्रशेस. And this crush of mine and I used to travel in the rickshaw to college, like, you know, sometimes when I had extra money. Now I realized one thing, that her surname first of all was Malhotra. Now if you know Malhotra, ती तिकडे आणि मी इकडे. Malhotra Chopras are anyways born rich, and I was trying to date someone who is a Malhotra. I realized one thing. I said अभी इनको impress करना तो होगा नहीं, अपने पास जेब में 1 रुपया नहीं है. I realized यार talent तो होगा, क्या कर सकते हैं. I started mouthing poetry to her and started saying poetry to her like Farhan Akhtar. So I got my Farhan andaz and I said, जब जब दर्द का बादल छाया, जब गम का साया लहराया, हमने तन्हा दिल को समझाया, दिल आखिर तो क्यों रोता है. A for apple, B for banana, A for apple, B for banana, why art this cute? ये है something something something. I don't remember, man. So I'm saying I started mouthing poetry to her like that. I was like, हाँ यार, इस बंदे में टैलेंट है. I mean, every time we travel together, I'd do a dialogue from Kaho Na Pyare and I'd like put on my glasses and be like, hi, my name is Raj. You must be Sonny. I mean, it's about हमारी दूसरी मुलाकात है. And I'd do all these things and that's when she told me, boss, तू मैनेजमेंट करने जा रहा है. जब तुझको इतना मजा आता है स्टेज पे रहने के लिए and to perform and all of this, you want to go to management? And I was going to management after my 12th grade. Why? Because in my head मेरे को 50 लाख की नौकरी चाहिए, जो अभी भी मिलती नहीं है. लेकिन मेरे दिमाग में मैं कौन है? गणेश गायतोंडे, जस्ट लाइक y'all. अपने दिमाग में अपन राजा, फर्क नहीं पड़ता है पब्लिक क्या बोलेगी, लेकिन हमारे के दिमाग में किंग. सो लाइक यू गाइस, इवन आई हैड 50 लाख की नौकरी, खत्म किया काम, सारे कंपनी Infosys आएगा, ये आएगा, वो आएगा, बोला yes sir, 50 lakh check, opening salary. But I just realized something very important that she told me. She said, you want to be on stage, why the hell do you want to do a management course? Why aren't you following your passion? You're so good at this. That's when, more than an epiphany, that's when I realized, that's when I went into BMM and I started doing media. Again, I'd like to tell you something. Remember what I told you in the beginning, that life happens to most of us when we are busy planning other things. I was planning to do management. And there, this woman who I had a crush on told me and opened my eyes to the world and told me कि भाई तू कर क्या रहा है? भाई नहीं बोला, मतलब वो थोड़ा ज़्यादा, sorry, भाई वो ना वो जॉन स्नो वाला हो जाता, तो छोड़ देना. I can't believe I cracked that joke. People who got it. But I'm saying that, you know, I realized that, wow, here's me who's marinating in my ego of मैं मैनेजमेंट करेगा, मैं इतना पैसा कमाएगा, मैं रैंक करे. Someone just actually told me that, hey man, सोच समझ के डिसीजन ले अपनी लाइफ का, सोच ले देखो क्या करना है. And I got into media and here I am, the youngest breakfast jock of fever. अभी मैं 30 साल का हो गया तो भी मैं यंगेस्ट ही है क्योंकि कोई इसके मेरे से छोटा कोई आया नहीं ब्रेकफास्ट शो पे, तो बोलने को अच्छा लगता है ऐसा. यंगेस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट जॉक मयंक, थैंक्स ब्रदर. आई रियली रिस्पेक्ट यू फॉर सेइंग दैट. यंगेस्ट 30 साल यंग नहीं होता है पर ठीक है, बहुत प्यारा बच्चा है, डोंट वरी. बट कमिंग टू द पॉइंट गाइस, यू रियलाइज व्हाट हैपेंड अगेन हियर. I was planning to do something else altogether, but someone came and changed the course of my thought process. Why? Because I was aware, I was ready to accept change. Most of us get stuck in our old redundant ways. मैं ऐसा ही है, हाँ मैं ऐसा ही है, yeah bro. And some of you guys are in the yeah bro category. You know what the yeah bro category is? I explained. Yeah bro, what are you doing bro? Bro, I'm just sitting bro. I'm just bored bro. Yeah bro, what are you doing bro? कुछ नहीं bro, I'm just omitting all the chapters bro. Life is so boring bro. Life sucks bro. What is this? She's given extra assignment and all bro. क्या है bro? Yeah bro. Full day you're doing only yeah bro. Beyond yeah bro तुम्हारी जिंदगी जाती नहीं है. So don't get stuck in the yeah bro syndrome. ऐसा एक वीडियो मैंने डाला है Instagram पे, go check it out, RJ Glenn Live पे. I just imitated my brother and his friends who come home. Yeah bro, yeah. Anyways, coming back to what I'm trying to tell you guys. We all get stuck up in little in boxes. This is how we are. This is what we need to do. But hey, keep your mind open. You're the young guns in the country. You are the future of India. You are the future of this planet. बहुत बड़ा भारी जिम्मेदारी दिया मेरे को, मैंने मालूम है. तो स्पाइडरमैन एवेंजर्स नहीं है, पर तो भी मैं तुमको बोल रहा हूँ, you are the future. You are the future. You have your future in your hands. So for that, you have to be very, very open, ready to accept change. And like I said, women are always right. Even this crush of mine who was teaching me, who I was trying to impress, actually told me what to do. Moving ahead, these COVID times. Now all of you guys are wondering, ये COVID के time में अपनी enthusiastic कैसे हो सकता है? क्या खाता क्या है ये सुबह सुबह? क्या पागल आदमी है क्या? कुछ पब्लिक तो मेरे को देख के यही बोल रहे कि इसने क्या मार के आया है, कुछ तो फूक के आया है. Something he's done. No bro. I am very happy with what I do. I love my work. I love my job, and that is why it is very important for all of you to love what you do. You know what this COVID crisis has taught me? It's taught me a very important thing. First lesson. If you agree with me, you will do this for me, okay? Just do this so that I feel that I'm not talking to blank screens, okay? First thing, it's taught all of us to be, मित्रों, आप और हम बने हैं आत्मनिर्भर. If you agree, come on. Yeah. मित्रों, बहुत अच्छे हैं. Very good. Secondly, it's taught you and me a very, very important lesson कि घर का खाना बहुत टेस्टी होता है और ढाबे वाला चाइनीज कुछ ज्यादा टेस्टी नहीं होता. माँ के हाथ का खाना बहुत टेस्टी होता है. Agreed? For all the mothers who work relentlessly day in and day out in our houses. Big one for your mothers, for your moms. Come on. I need to see this for your parents, your moms, your dads, whom we never really cared to even ask. अम्मा कैसे बनाती हो खाना? जब मैं आज प्याज काटता हूं ना अकेले, जब मैं रहता हूं अपने घर पे, जब मेरी कुक नहीं आती है, जब मुझे खुद वो 4 टमाटर काटने के बाद 1 टमाटर सही कटता है मेरा, बाकी का 3 मैं अपने चेहरे और अपने सिर पे लगा देता हूं. The women will know. But I'm saying, I have realized how hard they work for us, how much they do for us. Secondly, you realize that घर का खाना. Agreed. Third most important thing. It's not your best friend that you need. It is your domestic help who is your most important friend. Agreed? Best friend की जरूरत है, लेकिन domestic help की भी जरूरत है. Right? Lastly, you don't need designer clothes. You don't need flashy, latest phone models. You don't need nothing. You just need yourself and your family. This lockdown, in fact, guys, has taught me a lot and has brought me closer to myself. It's helped me find myself in a lot of ways. Now you'll ask me, radio jockey है, तू तो famous है, TV show करता है, ये करता है, वो करता है, देखो क्या finding yourself, क्या cool बन रहा है, ऐसा एकदम story क्या सुना रहा है? I'll just tell you. This lockdown has brought me close to myself. Very simply means that most of you guys must have had passions for singing, dancing, writing, or some of you must have also had passions for blogging. Hi guys, I'm cooking. Look at my latest baking. Hey guys, I'm saying, yeah, you should take this protein shake, bro. It's very good for your health. And I'll show you how to do push-ups on your nose, bro. You go to the ground and you do push-ups on your nose. Some of you are showing all of that. All of your skills are coming out and you feel that you're living a new life. Why is that happening? It's because you're investing time in yourself. You're doing things that you love. You're growing internally. You're feeling relieved. Now, I'm not telling you कि अपना engineering छोड़ दो और push-ups मारो नाक पे. I'm going to tell you that you're vibrating at a very different frequency. Now, some of you look puzzled. Some of you are like, अभी बाबा जी क्या बोलने वाले हैं? क्या ये प्रचारण करने वाले हैं, बोलने वाले हैं कि तुम्हारे सितारे ठीक नहीं है? क्या ये प्लैनेट्स की कुछ राशि बताने वाले? नहीं, मैं तुमको तुम्हारी भाषा में समझाता हूँ. First law of thermodynamics. Don't look at me like that. I'm very intelligent. I read a lot of books. First law of thermodynamics, a version of law of conservation of energy. I read a lot, so don't think. Energy can neither be created nor. Say it, at least say it. No, don't say that. ये क्या है? Energy can neither be created nor. हाँ, say it in your mute only. I can hear I can read your lips. So करना. अरे mute मत हटाओ, mute मत हटाओ. It's jarring in my ears. One more time. Energy can neither be created nor. Perfect. पीछे से तुम्हारी मम्मी कुछ फेंकने वाली है. क्यों चिल्ला रहे हो? वैभव चिल्ला मत बाबा, मेरे कान के पर्दे फट जाएंगे. Okay. So what does this mean? You are vibrating in an energy, in a frequency, because you have now started investing in yourself, which is very different. You realize yourself because you have time for yourself, because you have more time to catch up on your hobbies, whatever be it. I don't know आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है, dancing, singing, writing, or hi guys, I'm baking. I don't know. Whatever you like, whatever you want to be, right? You are investing in yourself. The growth is internal to external and not external to internal. You see what magic you're working. See, what is happening right now, if you're not experiencing this, I'm trying to get you aware about this thing. Earlier, when you were stressed out, you would, resort to other things to de-stress. Maybe watch a lot of TV, or you all know what you all do. All of you all. Don't smile. All the boys are looking at me like, sir, आप भी ना sir, क्या sir, पोल खोल रहे teachers, faculty यहाँ पे, कैसा behavior है sir? Some of you all are like, what is this behavior, Pooja? But you know what you do. But now, because you have time for yourself and you're investing in yourself, you are resorting to your hobbies to deal with your stress. You are indulging in good things. You are involving yourself into learning something new. You are investing your time and your effort in yourself. And by this, what happens is you are vibrating at a different frequency. Your thought process is here. You see, suddenly new possibilities open up for you. And I can tell you all this because I have realized this for me during this lockdown. I didn't have my video producers with me, guys, honestly. जो मेरे लिए edit करते हैं video. मैं बोला मैं कैसे survive करेगा without putting comedy content on it. You won't believe. Go check out this thing that I do called Auntie Fernandez on my Instagram. RJ Glenn Live, which is my Insta handle. Auntie Fernandez is the most hit auntie on Instagram right now for my 15,000 followers. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलेगा, मेरे पास कम ही है, show off नहीं करेगा, but that is the truth. Go check it out. RJ Glenn Live, Auntie Fernandez that I do. And I do this thing called English Pathshala. अब ये सब मैं कैसे कर रहा हूँ? Because I am editing it on my own. And trust me, हमको ना, हमारी जनरेशन को, आपको और मेरे को रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी लेना. Can hear me? Just can you hear me, guys? Yeah, just give me a thumbs up. Okay. So I was saying, even in our responsibilities, we don't want to. You guys froze. Even in our relationships, we don't want to take responsibilities. है ना? That's why we like left swipe, right swipe. We are a generation who wants it quick, fast. Even our jobs, we want it quick, fast. We want quick gratification, immediate. मैंने ₹5 डाला, मेरे को 5 करोड़ मिलना मांगता है. कैसे मिलेगा? लॉज पता है ना, साइंस, एवरी एक्शन हैज एन इक्वल एंड ऑपोजिट. तो तू 5 रुपया डालेगा, 5 करोड़ कैसा आएगा? अनलेस तू कुछ झोल झाल का काम कर रहा है. बट if you follow ethics, if you follow the right principles and the right intent, how can you expect quick results? But we are a generation, unfortunately, who is like that. मैं कितना शो ऑफ कर रहा ना, मैं तुम लोग को मेरे साथ जुड़ रहा. We are a generation बोल रहा, मैं तुम लोग से 10 साल बड़ा है. It just makes me feel good. It just makes me feel very good about myself. But what I'm trying to get at is, guys, everything for us is quick and fast, and that is why it's very essential for us to find a job or find something that will keep us sane and happy, because life and jobs are going to get tougher. It's going to be very, very hard. Problems सबको होने वाली हैं और problems same होने वाली हैं सबको. It's your ability to handle it. It's not about तू कितना smart है, ranker है, कितना तू पैसा कमाएगा, कितना educated है, how privileged you are. You can be the poo of your house. You can be living on, hey, where do you live? I live in Bandra. You can be living in Bandra, or you can be living on Carter Road, or you can be living in South Bombay. It doesn't matter. People who succeed in life are people who take responsibility of their actions and who are ready to solve a problem. I have learned this for myself in this lockdown. I was also a complaint box for some time. मैं कोई बाबा गुरु संत नहीं है इधर. I'm telling you from my experiences of this lockdown. There are times I have complained also, but with age I've learned to, manage my head. But you will be smarter than me, because that's the process. That's the purpose of evolution, right? You guys will do something in a much smarter way than I did 7 years, 10 years back, and you will also do something very stupid that I didn't do. So I can sit back and laugh at you and say ha 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 ha. But you will also learn, right? You will learn from those mistakes. It's important to make mistakes. So whoever tells you don't make mistakes, but take responsibility of your actions. Take responsibility of your mistakes. Handle a situation are different. So I'm not we incorporate our passion if we are singing. How do we make that as a career? You know that saying, no? How's the Josh? What is that? What comes after how's the Josh? Hi, sir. Right? But I'll tell you what. Where's the hosh? हेडफोन पहनेगा, मैं अपना एक रैप लिखेगा, मैं ये करेगा, ये करेगा. हाँ कर, जरूर कर, बट बी रीजनेबल एंड बी सेंसिबल अबाउट इट. अब ये टॉक के बाद डोंट बी फुल्ली मोटिवेटेड एंड चार्ज से आरजे ग्लेन ने बोला इंजीनियरिंग छोड़ने का, अपन को अपने को म्यूजिक करने का, अपने को ड्राइंग करने का. नहीं, chill, have a plan, follow your passion, or incorporate your passion in your studies. Like for example, I'm very Bollywood, I'm very filmy. बचपन में ना मेरे को वो hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, ये सब theorem, Pythagoras theorem, फिर a plus b the whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square, aq plus b cube, फिर derivatives integration, ये सब का formula ना मेरे को याद करने के मैं बॉलीवुड का गाना बनाता था. For example, जब भी कोई a plus b the whole square, देखो मेरा दिल दीवाना बोले a square plus 2ab plus b square, ऐसे करके मैं गाना बना के I used to write my examination papers and I used to smile and write my exams. I'm not telling you that in your engineering papers smile करते हुए लिख. You will destroy the morale of your other students. क्योंकि उनको भी लगता है कि तू उन लोग की तरह तुम लोग ने पढ़ाई नहीं किया है, तो उन लोग का मोरल मत तोड़. तू स्कॉलर भी रहेगा ना, तो मोरल मत तोड़ बाकी स्टूडेंट्स का. And I know one of you out here in this group is that person who takes a new supplement within the first 3 minutes of writing the paper. कौन है वो इधर से? कौन है वो आदमी इधर से? एक मिनट कौन है? पहले मेरे को उस आदमी को आइडेंटिफाई करने का है. तुम लोग खुद आइडेंटिफाई करो, नहीं तो वहां पे लिख दो. Who is that person? कौन है वो जो फर्स्ट 3 मिनट एग्जाम मेन सप्लीमेंट आया कि नहीं, 3 मिनट में उसने मैम सप्लीमेंट, बाकी स्टूडेंट्स का मोरल उधर ही टूट गया. द हार्ट ब्रोकन, दे आर वंडरिंग इसने क्या लिखा है अपने पेपर में. उनको बट ऑनेस्टली टेल यू, ये जो होते हैं ना ये ढोंगी सप्लीमेंट वाले, ये लोग क्या करते हैं मैं बोलता हूँ, क्योंकि मैं वो ढोंगी सप्लीमेंट वाला था। पहले पेज पे लेफ्ट मार्जिन, राइट मार्जिन, ऊपर मार्जिन, नीचे मार्जिन, मार्जिन का बच्चा मार्जिन, सुपर मार्जिन, मार्जिन, और एक लाइन में पूरा आंसर लिखते हैं। ये लोग ऐसे होते हैं। That's why their paper gets over like so soon. They're lying to you. They're trying to destroy your morale और कुछ नहीं. So don't fall for this margin वाला trap. Anyways, coming to the point. Where was I? ये jokes के चक्कर में ना, I forget what I'm saying. हाँ. So incorporate your passion यार in your studies. Like मैं जब stressed होता था ना, I'll also give you a little brief. I used to dance professionally with choreographer Terence Lewis before this. I was a part of his company. I was a student from the age of 5 till the age of 22. I did DID1 with him as a choreographer and as an you know, his assistant, and worked with him on a lot of shows and all of that. It helped me cope up with my stress, my dancing. समझ रहे हो आप? और जो भी आपको कहते हैं ना कि ये बहुत टफ है रे चैप्टर, ये क्या है वो एरोडायनामिक्स, थर्मोडायनामिक्स, को ओमिट कर। लाइफ में कुछ ओमिट मत कर, सब कुछ कभी ना कभी तो काम में आएगा। पीपल टेल मी, ओए तू रेडियो जॉकी है ना, तेरे को तो बोलने का ही कुछ नहीं, मतलब तेरे को खाली पढ़ के बोलने का है ब्रो। मैं बोला हाँ पढ़ के बोलने का है ब्रो, इतना ही आसान है, तू आके बोल देना मेरे, काम करना मेरे लिए। नो, यू कैन टॉक टू मी अबाउट एनीथिंग। यू कैन टॉक टू मी अबाउट एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर, यू कैन टॉक टू मी अबाउट पाइथागोरस, you can talk to me about numerology, you can talk to me about biology, you can talk to me about carbon and carbon compounds, you can talk to me about anything and I will have an answer for it. And if I don't have an answer for it, I will come and tell you boss मेरे पास नहीं है। This is not because I'm trying to show off in front of you guys right now कि मैं कितना well read है, क्या amazing है यार, कौन है ये, एकदम क्या eligible bachelor है यार। No, it's because of one reason. I learned and I read because I wanted to read and learn, not because I was expecting marks. Yes, when I was writing my papers, I was expecting marks. मैं झूठ नहीं बोलेगा. But after that, I did learn and read because I wanted to grow, improve as a person. My knowledge, I wanted this. I wanted to feel enlightened. I didn't want to feel like a fool talking to people. I wanted my jargon, the language that I use, the terminologies that I use. I wanted to be very well versed with everything that I say. Today, I could quote your thermodynamics and your Pythagoras and all of these things to you because I had read them somewhere years back and I still remember it. And see how beautifully it became a part of my script that I had to, you know, speak to you guys. So the whole tatparya, if I can say, of this talk is, now that you've had time to invest in yourself, in your passion, and I'm sure you guys are not very stressed with assignments and all right now, at least this last 90 days. तुम लोग का झूठा चेहरा देख के मेरे को लग रहा है बहुत असाइनमेंट्स मिला है तुम लोग को। Okay, whatever, but you're not as stressed, right? The travel and all is reduced. वैसे भी तुम लोग के लाइफ में क्या स्ट्रेस है मेरे को बताओ। तुम लोगों का खाना बनाने का नहीं ना, तुम लोग को घर का राशन लाने का नहीं ना, तुम लोग को घर का रेंट देखने का नहीं ना, तुम लोग खाली असाइनमेंट का स्ट्रेस है ना बस, एंड स्टडीज एंड एग्जाम्स का। So that's what I'm trying to get to you guys, yeah, and trying to explain to you that now that you have time for yourself, invest in yourself, pick up a book, read a book, dance, make your hi guys, make the videos. Do whatever it takes to make yourself strong internally, because life is going to be very tough, and I'm not trying to scare you, but it is not the intelligent, the oh मैं कितना शाना है, oh मेरे पास कितना पैसा है, तेरे पास कितना भी पैसा रहने दे। अगर एक मिडिल क्लास घर का लड़का आज इतना कॉन्फिडेंट निकल सकता है, it's because I've worked hard over here. This followed, but first I had to be strong inside, because growing up I knew I was a big drama queen. मेरे सिर में सब कुछ एक्सट्रीम है। राम गोपाल वर्मा की मूवी है, सॉरी नो, अब्बास मस्तान की पिक्चर। आई हैव ओवरथॉट एवरी सिचुएशन। पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी में जाएगा नहीं, क्योंकि अब्बास मस्तान की पिक्चर में क्या होता है, पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी आदमी जाता नहीं है। पॉइंट ए से पॉइंट बी जाने के लिए उसको पॉइंट जेड पे पहले जाना पड़ता है। उधर एक आदमी मिलेगा उसको, जिसका मास को उतारेगा कोई और आदमी बनेगा, और फिर वो पॉइंट बी पे जाएगा। दैट इज व्हाट मोस्ट ऑफ अस डू, ओवरथिंक, एंड आई वाज लाइक दैट, and I am still like that. I can't change, but I've learned to practice not to overthink so much. But like I told you, take responsibility, take onus of your actions. When you invest in yourself, when you invest in a talent, when you invest in your क्या बोलते हैं उसको, in doing something that you're passionate, that you love, like playing football or cricket. अभी तुम लोग खेल नहीं सकते बाहर जाके, ऑब्वियस सी बात है। प्लीज बाहर जाके अन्नाडी की तरह खेलो मत। आरजे ग्लेन बोला, वो रेडियो में बोलते हैं सब घर पे बैठे, लेकिन हम लोग को वेबिनार में बोला आके खेलो क्रिकेट। प्लीज तुम्ही घरामध्येच बसा, बाहेर जाऊ नका, तर तुम्ही बाहेर गेले आणि काहीतरी झालं माझ्यावर येणार मग. So please, and if you're wondering how I speak good Marathi, please understand I was a middle class boy who grew up in a colony where there was Maharashtrians, Christians, Punjabis, Muslims, everybody. I spoke every language. I even speak German and French, by the way. Huh? So I'll explain to you all afterwards how I speak French. But problem is because your faculty is here, I can't say it because I will never be called again to give another talk. Anyways, coming to the point. My last bit is I'm going to take 2 more minutes. Aditi, can I have 2 more minutes? 2 more minutes? Okay, 3 minutes. Guys, can I take 3 minutes? Everybody give me a thumbs up. No, I don't want you all to be bored. Yeah? Okay. यार मैं एक ऑनेस्ट बात बोलता हूँ तुम लोगों को. तुम लोग ना I look at you all and I feel very proud यार कि तुम लोग के पास अभी भी वो यूथ है. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं बुड्ढा है, लेकिन तुम लोग 10 साल जवान है मेरे से. You guys got youth. Invest in looking good internally. Ladies, girls, become strong internally. Automatically, externally, you will start feeling great. Boys, focus on building your mental strength. Because society somewhere has, because we are so territorial and because we've been told that we are the providers at times, not everybody. I'm not trying to make a sexist statement over here. Women are way in front of a lot of things and they lead from the forefront. But a lot of boys have this, "Arey, mere par kitna bhar hai." So if you get into that rut, please build yourselves internally. I know a lot of boys say, yoga karna kya hai, yoga hai, kaun karta hai, breathing. Get into the practice of doing things. I learned all this in this lockdown. Like, I am a very energetic person. At 5 in the morning, I'm doing 1000 skips. मेरा रेडियो स्टेशन का जो इंटर्न लोग जो आता है ना, ऐसा आता है. Hi sir, how are you? पहले मैं बोलता जाके नहा गया. Because I'm very happy and excited. Because I love what I do. And for you to achieve what you do, to that state of euphoria or happiness, is you have to love what you do. And suppose you get into a job that you don't enjoy, then your passion that you have developed now in this lockdown will save you, guys. पूरा दिन बैठ के PUBG मत खेल. मैं Call of Duty खेलता है, लेकिन मैं सिर्फ 20 मिनट्स के लिए खेलता है. मेरा ना अभी क्या हो गया? But invest in learning a new skill set. Invest in yourselves, guys. Nobody will believe in you. Not your family, nobody. Because unfortunately, nobody cares. Your family does. But nobody cares. If you have a dream, go chase it. कोई believe नहीं करेगा. अरे मेरे को ये करने का. अरे तो have you made a vision board? Have you weighed the pros and cons of it? Have you asked yourself, do I have the capability to do it? Or are you just going because of herd mentality? अरे सब लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? सब लोग मैकेनिकल कर रहे हैं, तो मैं भी एक काम करता हूँ, मैं भी मैकेनिकल करेगा अब लोग. मेरा कैपेसिटी नहीं है मैकेनिकल का. लेकिन ना बोलो, everybody is doing it now, bro. तो क्या बोलता? We'll pass through it, bro. But why? These are very difficult questions. You have to be very honest with yourself. मैं खुद को कितना क्वेश्चंस पूछता मालूम है. कभी कभी मैं ही पागल हो जाता है. मेरे को लगता है मैं, इट्स लाइक कार्तिक कॉलिंग कार्तिक. आई एम टॉकिंग टू माई सेल्फ. आई एम लाइक ग्लेन, व्हाट डू यू वांट? नथिंग ब्रो. ग्लेन, तू क्या करना चाहता है अपनी लाइफ में? सॉरी, 1 सेकंड, मेरा एलेक्सा ऑन हो गया. एलेक्सा शट अप. एलेक्सा क्वाइट. सॉरी, वो है, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग ऑफ आई हैव एलेक्सा एट होम. नो, एनीवेज, I ask myself very honest questions, guys. I ask myself very, very important questions. Every morning I get up and I'm meditating. I'm asking, because I've realized all these things for myself. I want you to realize these things earlier in life so that you become more successful. I don't know if I'm successful or what. I don't know that, honestly. But I want you to be successful for yourselves faster than what I did. And you make new mistakes so that tomorrow when you become like a CEO of a company, I can come to you and say, boss, मैं बोला था ना तेरे को वो webinar में, वो आदिति ना बहुत मस्त है यार. आदिति, तू बहुत अच्छा काम करता है यार. मैं सच में बोलता है, तुम्हारा DY पाटिल का स्टूडेंट लोग को तुमने बहुत अच्छा काम किया आदिति. तुमको ऐसा एक वर्चुअल जादू का जप्पी देता है हम. So you understand what I'm trying to get at? That when you invest in yourself, when you start doing, like, I learned, I got this, all of us, if you're into a bad habit, I'm not going to name any habits. You know what your bad habits are. Why do we do it? I know this is deviating a little bit from what we decided to talk about, your passion. But let me just end with this, because I got this while I was meditating this morning. हाँ, तुम लोग को विश्वास नहीं होता ना मैं मेडिटेट करता, इतना एनर्जी कहाँ से आता है? I meditate because I need this energy. Why do we indulge in bad habits? We want to fill up a void, correct? There is some emptiness we feel that अरे करने का. Now if we tell the same thing to our parents and all, they'll be like, what 19-20 euro, not all the time, but sometimes because they have their own stress, yeah. Nobody to talk to. Today, just go and show them some empathy. Just give them a hug and just say thank you for no reason. You don't have to tell them. And boys, it's very difficult for boys to do it, but do it. I'll tell you, it's very difficult, but do it. You see what will happen to the equation. Why I'm telling you this? They had nobody to talk to. They are trying to do the best for you. This morning when I was meditating, I was like, dude, why do we get into addictions or doing things that are not cool? It's primarily because we are filling up a void. And after doing whatever you do, don't you start feeling guilty and further empty? Yes or no? Why does that happen? It's like a vicious circle. So you seek the reward of your action. You're always seeking कम stress and peace. But हमको भी मालूम है हम हमेशा ओडी करते हैं. कुछ भी करे हमारी जनरेशन सिर्फ ओडी करती है, एक्स्ट्रा ही करती है. जहां पर हमको खुशी मिलती है हम उतने में रुकते नहीं है. आई वॉन्ट लिटिल मोर, लिटिल मोर, लिटिल मोर करके करके फुल नाइट वी आर लाइक next day we wake up again with the same empty feeling. That is why replace these habits with a workout, with reading, with dancing. मैं गेंदा फूल लगा के क्या डांस करता है मालूम है मेरे घर पे झाड़ू मारते वक्त. आई हेट स्वीपिंग द हाउस. मैं फुल जैकलीन फर्नांडिस बनता है और फिर अचानक से जब पोछा मारता है मैं बादशाह बनता हूं. बिकॉज दैट टाइम इफ यू डू ऑल दिस नो तो यू नो when I'm cleaning my walls because I'm OCD. Actually I'm not OCD. I'm CDO. Some of you got the joke, some of you didn't. OCD. I'm not OCD. I'm CDO. I arrange the letters also. I'm that OCD. जोक को explain करना पड़े तो तुम लोग का दिमाग engineers. Oh, we are engineers. We are engineering students. Engineer. इतना नहीं समझा तुम लोगों. Anyways, moving ahead. Have you seen the film Karate Kid? Karate Kid. Wax on, wax off. I clean my walls like this. I find joy in doing this. Happiness is not a destination कि मेरे को ये मिलेगा तो मैं खुश है. Happiness is the small things that you do every day that will keep you sane. This life is tough. The jobs that you do are tough. Your parents work very hard. Just go ask them one day, कैसा किया यार? तुम लोग amazing है. Just take your मम्मी डैडी का नाम से मत लो उनको, but just बोलो तुम लोग बहुत अच्छा काम करता है मम्मी पापा. And just give them a hug like Munna bhai. Just do that, man. It's very hard, and that is why you have to find your passion from a very early age to help you survive later. तू कुछ भी कर लाइफ में, तू कितना भी विद्वान बन, कितना भी इंटेलिजेंट बन, कुछ भी बन, कुछ नहीं हेल्प करेगा. Your survival instincts will help you become stronger, and that is why I am encouraging you guys to finish your studies. Study hard, not for A+ results and to avoid KTs. That also do. Don't be a fool. Don't get like a KT and all. But study because you want to acquire knowledge. Study because you love. And I know some of you don't love at all. Some of you are like, क्या है? इसको omit करता हूँ मैं. ये importance मिला क्या कुछ? ये कुछ मिला क्या? ये कुछ आया क्या? ये importance का चक्कर ना मेरे बाप दादा के जमाने से चल रहा है. कुछ importance मिला क्या? कल के पेपर में क्या आ रहा है? So please don't study for that. Study because you will grow as a person, and when you start doing that, guys, nobody was there to tell me this. I figured it out post 26, 27. That's not too late. But I've started practicing it now at 30. Figure it out at 18, 19, 20 so that you become more successful than I am. You will lead India, yaar. Can you imagine this? You will be the future. You will change so many people's lives if you are passionate. You know, the best CEOs of companies run a company, but they're so cool and so awesome because they have passions. They followed their passion, they followed their dream, and if what they're doing is not their passion, they have, you know, like singing, playing the guitar or playing music as their passion to support them and to guide them and to take care of them. Lastly, I'm going to end this talk by just one thing. You remember एक dialogue था Spider-Man film में, with great power comes great responsibility, है ना? I reversed that line for you. with great responsibility comes great power. If you are ready to take responsibility of your actions and onus for your well-being and not blame your parents, your college, and everybody else around you, yeah, bro, my life is screwed, bro, because of this person, bro. Yeah, bro, मेरे को इतना ही पैसा मिलता है, bro, घर से. Yeah, bro, yeah. You're ready to get out of all that drama and say, hey, what has this lockdown taught you? A very important lesson. इतना ही है, इतने में ही मुझे एक नई दुनिया क्रिएट करनी है ना? Am I right? Am I right? Thumbs up to that. Exactly. So with great responsibility comes great power. And to get more of these talks of mine, you can follow me on Instagram, which is RJ Glenn Live, or you can go follow me on Spotify. I have a podcast which is called Aaj Kuch Naya Karte Hain. I'm going to try and share the link. Hold on, let me just connect via WhatsApp here. Just give me a second. Guys, I hope you guys are not bored. I want you to comment right now while I send you the link. Right? Tell me one thing that you learned. तुम लोग का टेस्ट हो गया, surprise test, 5-mark question. Put one thing that you learned. Just write. So I also feel that I'm not talking to like. Do it. Fatafat. In the comment section, I want to see you guys. Come on. Because we're almost done. Almost done. I'm just sharing the link with you guys. Hang on, okay? Okay, so Spotify is free. I put the link out there. Okay, you can go follow the link for everyone. It's on Spotify. I keep releasing podcasts. The episode that I'm sending y'all is on investing in yourself, something that I spoke about right now. But there are other episodes also which speak about you are your best friend, self-talk and all these things. And it's not always easy for me. Aditi, just one more minute, I promise you. I know we've exceeded, we've taken 5 minutes. Guys, just one more minute. It's not that everything has gone right in my life and everything is awesome in my life. No, I face problems on a daily basis. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं अपने passion को follow करता हूँ तो मेरे jobs में problem नहीं है. मेरे job में भी बहुत problem है at times. Even I deal with unnecessary annoying people. But my capacity to handle that is better because I follow my passion. My capacity to deal with nonsensical people is higher because I dance, I work out, I internally build myself. The Virat Kohlis and the Mahendra Singh Dhonis of the world weren't rich. They became rich because the growth was internal to external. It was never external. Every great soul on this planet, every great leader on this planet has always grown internally to externally. Be responsible for your actions. Be nice to your teachers. They work very hard. My mother is a teacher. She teaches 60 boys. You know what? I call all of them gadas. And I'll tell you why. I tell them also, your parents don't send you to school because your parents want you to learn. They send you to school because they want to be free for 6 hours. It's very hard for your teachers. They work very hard. It's a very thankless job, guys. Your teachers, your professors work very hard. And I say this because my mother is a teacher. And just generally, I feel, respect them more. Your parents, we may not seem to come across as they understand everything that you're saying. That is true because generation alag hai re. तुम लोग right swipe, left swipe, वो लोग कबूतर जा वाली generation. समझेगा कैसा? है कि नहीं? But respect them, teach them. You know the funny part, can I just end it with one funny thing? My mom does not know how to use a laptop. Why? Because my brother, in my house, where my brother, my mom and my dad stay in a different house. My brother uses the Mac, the big Mac to edit all his videos and all of that. And in that process, what happens is my mom had to go digital, online to teach her students in school. तो मेरी मम्मी सब अभी बहुत बड़े प्रोसेसर मैक पे काम कर रही है. My mother does not know how to use a laptop. That 55-year-old lady knows how to use a MacBook. generally we find it very difficult to use Apple products. Not that I'm saying that it's confusing, but my mom, who's barely used a computer, now uses an iPad and a MacBook and does not know how to use a normal desktop because she knows the command shift key and all that of a MacBook and not that of a normal Windows. So I'm saying, be more kind to them, yeah. Teach them. When you work with them, you see how you all will grow together as a team. कोई रहे ना रहे, आपकी family आपके साथ हमेशा रही. Because it's all about loving your family. Okay? And last but not the least, अगर तुम किसी चीज को पूरे दिल से चाहते हो, तो पूरी कायनात तुम्हें उसे मिलाने में जुड़ जाती. Thank you guys. Thank you Aditi. Thank you for your time. Thank you guys. I hope I didn't bore you all. If you have any questions, let me know. And one day, inshallah, by God's grace, I will come to your college and have a chat with you one-on-one. And maybe I will learn something from you all. Maybe better thermodynamics and and theory of relativity and everything. We will talk and we will chat and we will talk about the black hole and we will talk about the galaxy and the universe and we will talk about Sapiens and we will talk about the Neanderthal man and we'll talk about origin and life and the Big Bang theory. We'll talk about everything. And I will argue every scientific point that you guys throw at. Thank you guys. That's it. My name is RJ Glenn. I have not succeeded in life. I am learning to succeed. And every day with this attempt of pursuing to be a better person and a better version of myself, I am learning only to fail a little less. Thank you very much. God bless.
Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. It was lovely listening to you. And once again, I'd like to thank. I'm sorry, is someone trying to say something? I don't think anyone has any questions because the chat box is no one asked anything. So once again, thank you, sir. It was lovely listening to you. I would like to thank our head of department, all our teachers and students for joining us. And I hope everyone stays safe and takes care of themselves. Thanks
be safe and please mask. Okay. Hey Aditya, can you take a picture? Can we all put on this thing so I can just save this and tag me on Instagram, RJ Glenn Live, okay? So I'll repost the picture. एक photo लेना यार इसकी. I can see some of you are pouting, doing your vlogger pouts. Hi guys.